Having a blast, gonna get it on the Bruce Lee podcast. Bruce Lee like Bruce Lee, cause it's so hard and the T is loose leaf. Making up those rhymes, don't write it, just do it loosely. If you want my respect, you better put direct. Here are the words in the podcast, that's what comes next.
Hello everybody on the replay. So my name is Mark Simpson. I help hosts with the tools, the tactics, the training, but most importantly, the confidence to go and increase your direct bookings. And in today's episode of the Bruce Lee podcast, I'm talking about Lumpy Mail, most importantly, Christmas cards. This was filmed on the 17th of November, prime time for sending out Christmas cards, Depending on when you're listening on it, you can still take part. Now, substitute Christmas for maybe Easter or for a celebration or just Lumpy Mail. It's always nice to send something in the post. So please make sure that you're collecting your guests' address details. Please make sure that you're utilizing it. And again, just try and get into the process of like every month to 3 to 5 people sending something in the post. It's a fantastic way in a world which is going all online to keep top of mind. It really is effective. Anyway, in this episode, I'm going to talk to you the main reasons why, how you can learn from our mistakes, some of the words that you can use in it, and how you can track return of investment. As always, please go leave a review, go tell the world about it, spread it, everybody. Thanks to Hostfully. You are amazing. Thank you so much for tuning in. Let's get on with the show.
Having a blast, gonna get it on the Bruce Lee podcast. Bruce Lee like Bruce Lee, cause it's so hard and the T is loose leaf. Making up those rhymes, don't write it, just do it loosely.